Good morning, everyone. How are you? Think all are fine. Today we focus on very important concept is the story writing. In story, the characters play an important role. It plays significant role. In a movie, backdrop is important. Backdrop means the plot of the story. Plot means plot is related to the backdrop. Backdrop means situation, means present situation, and then what are the circumstances while narrating the story. Introduction play an important role. Sometimes your eyes becomes wet. Sometimes you feel happy. Sometimes you remember grandparents, grandmother, and mother, father, and what are the images you observed in your society when the teacher narrating the story. At the time, you remember all the concept. Here, characters plays a very important role in the story. Here, lead characters. An introduction, views, logical thinking, presentation. Sometimes we use exclamatory sentences. Sometimes we has used interrogative. Sometimes we use imperative sentences. The father was a powerful characters present in the story. Powerful writing is very important. So many writers is in I going to tell some names. William Shakespeare, Orkin Orion, Robert Frost, Robert Burns. Is these all the people narrate the story using the one tool that is a language. Language means in a film the people expresses emotions through the face and using the dialogues. Here very difficult task. The character has to talk on the page. Understand, my dear? Character has to talk through your words. Here, what are the story? Asked for examination, what type of story means. Here they give some clues. It's how I going to introduce one of the book, Readers Club Bulletin. This is a book for the children. Here, what are the things present in this book? Here the book containing so many stories. It is useful for you. Now I'm going to discuss what are the things important to narrate the story. Sometimes the literature teacher explaining the story, some of the mind absent, switch off. They're not thinking, they're thinking about our characters. Here the title is very important. If you miss the title, 100% you will get a zero in a board examination. Writer's name important. Paragraph 1 introduction. Paragraph 2 views. What are the views? And character has to tell some moral values. Character has to give some information. Through the characters you're going to change the people mindset. Through the character you have to implement some of the new changes in the society. Through the character you're going to tell about the culture. Through the character you have to impress other. Through the story means character plan very important role. So lead characters and minor characters and then villain also come. Here we have to use these elements while narrating the story. And then proper conclusion in the movie. Understand, my dear, climax is very important. Understand, beginning and climax. Here the story writing also one type of art. Here conclusion is important. Then what is the first point you have to concentrate, focus to write on. First, all our intention, my intention has to write good story. How to write a good story? One question arises in your mind. Theme is important because, sir, how to judge the theme? They give the clues. Read the clues properly. And then while narrating the story, continuity is important. Theme, something important that story tries to tell. You should not have to say what the moral. Should not have to say what is the moral. While narrating the story, tell the moral. And then plot. Struggling the main character goes through. Struggling the main characters. One of the important book written by William Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet, there's a character struggling. These are the two characters, Romeo and Juliet, are the two characters. They are struggling. Means why they are struggling? Struggling to get the true emotions. I'm not using love. struggling to get to true emotions. They have own identity. Here the struggling is important. Struggling the main characters goes through, how the main characters goes through, how the characters play an important role. Sometimes characters surrounds the story. The characters is revolving the people's mind. The characters gather the attention of the person and decides about the story, either as a first person or third person, decide about the writing either in a present tense or a past tense. While narrating the story, you have to decide, I explained the past incident or present incident. That is very important. Sometimes the main characters remember the past incident, you have to use past tense verb. And then when the person is expressing the feelings, emotions, and real information, real aspects to another character, on the time we have to use present tense. When we use a past, when you use a present, when you use a future tense, tense also play a very important role. Here the plot is like that. Sometimes they remember the 10 years back, the hero remember the past incident. At the time you have to use a past tense character. Before start writing, know your characters well. Main characters should be someone whom readers can feel something common with, at least care about how the character looks, moves, and speaks. Here, the characters plays an important role. How the character looks to the story, how the characters enter the story, what that character going to speak, what you think through that character. Here to exhibit the information, exhibit the ideas. If the character has to talk in a story, his setting is important. Here in the movie, backdrop is important. Backdrop means that is the situation. How the situation means sometimes the backdrop for false backdrop the director want. That means they brought all the characters in the forest that shoot the particular incident. Here when before writing, when you're writing the story, think about the character. Character means present place. Here the set of your story, place and time, interesting, familiar, means what are the place, what are the moral of the story, what is the plot, what is one line story, what you going to tell through the characters. Everything you have to fix. And continuity important. Style and tone, understand my dear. I'm talking about setting. Setting here, setting is important. Sometimes drama setting in court, sometimes drama setting in forest, sometimes drama setting in uh, home, what do we call it, kitchen sink dramas. I don't know. Setting is important. Style and tool, use your languages is a write your story, use actions and speech to let readers know what happening. Give a speech in a direct quote like go away instead of indirect quotes like she told him to go away. Use simple words and simple sentences. That way your writing is easy to understand. Carefully check each with a phrase, sentence, and paragraph. Finally, remember the outline of the story. At the end, while giving a conclusion, remember the outline of the story and this is appropriate to the title. So understand that is the skill of